Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on Windows 11. Let's get started. Alright, so we're on the Windows 11 home screen, or desktop. Now you can already see here that we already have Google Chrome installed, but I'm going to show you as if you just got on a Windows 11 and you don't have any of this stuff installed yet. So what we're gonna want to do is open up Microsoft Edge, and then here we're gonna search up Google Chrome download, and you're gonna want to click on the first link, which is the https www.google.ca or .com, depending where you live, and you want to click download Chrome, and up here it'll show that it's downloading, and then we can just go to File Explorer and go to Downloads, and we can see it right here, Chrome Setup. You can click on that, and we click Yes. There we go. We have installed Google Chrome on Windows 11. Now you can go ahead and sign in if you want. So I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, there we go. I am now signed in to my Google, and we've installed it on Windows 11. Alright, I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, share with your friends, and until next time, goodbye.